extinguish. Otherwise, you could pay somebody and they'd say, well, you pay me again. You pay me again, you pay me again. So when a firm of debt collectors or bailiffs buys a debt, it's paid off, extinguish. Thank you very much, they paid it off for you. Which is why it's crucial that if they want to get paid back, they agree with you first. Will you pay us back? No, fuck off. Oh well, we're not going to pay it off. Okay, fine. Will you pay us back? Oh yeah, I'll pay you back. Oh right, good you. If you're stopped or arrested by a policy man for a non-common law, for non-common law, I mean, common law and whatever, I mean, still don't say anything. Never say anything. Because if you say anything, you'll hang yourself by making a statement, trust me. You basically, it is still right down the bottom, even whatever you get stopped for, still right down the bottom. If you can afford the time to spend in the cells, and they're not exactly, you know, the Park Lane Hilton, don't give them your name. Under any circumstances, say I haven't got one. It doesn't matter, even if you've got, well, you know, supposed ID on you. They have to get you to admit to it. But they will hold you for quite a while. Really, probably until they want your cell. Because they've got some drunk for you somewhere, I don't know. Now, if you do give them your name, in order to get out of their clutches as soon as possible, then you'll need to sign something for your property, which they'll take off you at least. And you write sign. So you sign, but you write under it, signed under force of duress, so it does not count in law. Now they won't like the fact you put that, but it's a compromise. They go, oh, bloody hell, not another bloody free man. Go on, get out. Would be their attitude, because they don't like dealing with free men because they don't understand us. But do not, under any circumstances, say anything else. Do not, under any circumstances, make a statement. Well, you have to make a statement. No, I don't. Yes, you do. You have to make a statement. Have you arrested me? Yes or no? Yeah. Have you cautioned me? Yes or no? Yeah. Have you charged me? Yes or no? Yeah. Then you have reached the limits of your function. I do not propose to enter a pre-trial trial with you. You are not a qualified judge or a magistrate, are you? I will say anything I need to say in court. In court, are you acting under your oath of office at this time? Right, that'll do for now. You're all pleased to know. In order to be free, you have to think free 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365, and act free for that period of time. And I'm afraid nobody else can do that for you, and it's not fair to expect anybody else to. You have to take personal responsibility. Oh, you have to question everything. And yes, including what I've said. I don't mind, you know, query what I've said. Please. You have to take personal responsibility for everything you do, and to point out to everyone else that they need to do the same. That their office or uniform does not protect them, any more than only obeying orders protected the Nazis at Nuremberg after World War II. Still hung them. It's not a defence in law. Pilots spraying us with chemtrails have no excuse in law. They should have found out exactly what they were spraying before doing it and refused. Oh, I didn't know what was in those tanks. I just, sorry, not an excuse. Everyone's responsibility as one sovereign human to any other sovereign human is unlimited. Common law. Now, currently we're working on the commercial lien process in order to utilise the foregoing statements to create common law protections. There are pretty good reasons to believe that a commercial lien is our ultimate defence of clout, while they and the system still remain under the sad delusion of money. I don't really propose to go into the commercial lien process right now because it's something o'clock. But fundamentally, you can, without actually a court hearing, you have to get a case number, but you can do that. without a court hearing, you can actually charge them a vast amount of money, depending on what you decide. And the court system kind of takes it from there. And the only way they have got of removing the lien is to pay it off. You make sure that there's no way they're going to be able to pay it. 99 years, or if they take you to the court with the jury, and they put their point of view, you put your point of view, and the jury says, no, that's not fair. So you make sure that when you write what you write, you make it fair. And that's the commercial lien. People are using it, but I can't quote anything more than that at the moment. Right, finally in conclusion, there is a lot more to this, of course. One major thing is to keep it out of the court, if possible, by means of writing letters, which cause the protagonist to think twice about taking the matter that far. So far, no, of the 7 or 8 bailiffs I've had to deal with, I've been threatened with court, but I haven't actually been taken to court. I've been to court, but not for myself. I've been in support of other people. Particularly in the cases of demands emanating from financial institutions. And to this end, the debt bust application was written, and it's available by debtbust.fmotl.com. It's an application that I wrote that you can download. It uses John Witrick's templates, but modified. Was John? I saw John. Where was John? John Witrick. I met him. He was here somewhere. He's here somewhere anyway. Yeah, hi. Right, what we did was we took your templates, but we feel we've improved them, and we put them into an application called Debt Bust, which means that you can type in the basics of the matter, click a button, and it produces the specific letter for your specific circumstances. So it's very much based on your original template. Okay. And it's free. It's free. It's free. Oh, and then what it does is it tracks the letters. So when the time's run out, it says, "Oh, you need to write the next letter now." Oh, click on that button, and I'll write it for you.
It's important to understand what you're writing, though, really, isn't it?
Sorry.
It's important to understand what you're writing, really.
Oh, very important. Very important. Very, very important. That is crucial. You must know what you're doing. Yes.
Sorry, and that's downloadable from where?
Okay, it's on debtbust.fmotl.com. It's on the screen, and on the next screen I'll tell you how to get this PowerPoint. There are now thousands doing this in the UK alone. There's every reason to suspect now that when a DCA receives one of our letters, they groan, "Oh no, not another one," and put it onto one side, being unable to deal with it. We have never had one reply from anyone that actually made sense. And the final screen of handy links, they all end in fmotl.com, which is my website. So there's reality.forum.radio.debtbust. Which I mentioned on the previous screen, and freedom. And if you type in freedom.fmotl.com, you'll find a link on that screen. It's only a basic screen, it's a bare screen, but there's a link on it. First of all to my book, but also to be able to download this PowerPoint and go through it, correcting it to 1694. Well, actually, I might have corrected it by the time you get it. You can go through it as you wish, and you can even use it as a reference manual. I mean, for example, if you right-click and you go by title, there's a list of the pages. So if, for example, you want to go, well, what was Veronica saying about the solutions? Oh, look. Where are we? It's there somewhere. There are, look, the solutions. Okay? What did Veronica say the solutions were? There they are. That's the page. And it will continue from that page. That's the way PowerPoint works. So you can go through it at your leisure. That is basically it. Thank you very much for